If you have ever developed FPGA projects using Altium Designer and the Nanoboard, you have probably used port plugins to define I/O ports. Port plugins are a convenient way to place the correctly named and complete set of signal I/O connections associated with circuitry external to the FPGA. For example, the Ethernet PHY port plugin from the NB3000 port plugin library provides all of the required I/O signal definition to interface with the Nanoboard's Ethernet PHY circuitry. But did you know you can easily create your own custom port plugins to interface your FPGA design with circuitry on a custom PCB or third-party evaluation board? Doing so will not only save time, but prevent system errors and constraint mismatches by leveraging the port plugin's inherent correct by construction port definition and naming. Port plugins also enhance the readability of the schematic through the use of recognizable graphics. So let's see how to create your own port plugin. I'll target a common Nexus 3 evaluation board. First, I'll define a library package and schematic library for a set of Nexus 3 specific port plugins. And then I'll create a new component named Ethernet. Next, I'll place a pin, define its length, make sure that the pin designator is hidden and that the pin name is visible. And then I'll specify the pin's name, designator, and type. I'll even add a parameter to display the annotated physical name. Next, I'll create and position a port shape using a polygon graphical object. One of the neat things about port plugins is that you can include a graphical image in the symbol. Here I'll place a JPEG image of the actual connector on the Nexus 3 board. Just a couple more properties to define and this port plugin will be complete. I'll hide and lock the part's reference designator and add a special parameter which makes this part recognizable as a port plugin when used. I'll save all the edits and compile the library package to produce the integrated library. Now the new Nexus 3 specific Ethernet port plugin is ready to use. All of my ports are correctly defined, resulting in worry-free connection to the onboard Ethernet PHY. As you can see, port plugins specific to your custom PCB or third-party board can easily be created to help you save time, prevent design errors, as well as add visual clarity to your system-level schematics.